In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept or decline an ownership transfer request in Google Drive. When someone wants to hand over control of a file or folder in Google Drive, they send an ownership transfer request. Accepting it makes you the new owner, which means you control sharing, permissions, and in many cases, the file may start counting toward your storage. Declining simply keeps things as they are. Here's how to handle that request quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to Google. From there, open your Gmail. Make sure you're signed in with the account that's supposed to receive the transfer. Using the wrong account is a common reason people can't find the message. In your inbox, look for an email from Google Drive about transferring ownership. The subject usually mentions an ownership transfer request, and inside, you'll see details like the file or folder name and who initiated the transfer. Take a moment to review these details. Confirm that you recognize the sender and that the file is something you expect to manage. If you handle a lot of email, it can help to glance at the file type and location information in the message so you know exactly what you're taking on. Open the email request. Near the bottom or within the message body, you'll see clear options to accept or decline. Before you click either one, consider what accepting means for you. As the new owner, you'll be responsible for how the item is shared, who can edit or view it, and potentially its storage impact under your account. This is especially important for large folders or high-resolution media. If that's what you want, go ahead and click Accept. Google will confirm the change, and ownership will move to your account. The previous owner typically keeps edit access unless they or your admin settings say otherwise. If you don't want the responsibility, don't recognize the file, or you're not sure about the request's legitimacy, click Decline. Nothing about the file will change, and it will remain with the current owner. You can always follow up with the sender later if you need more context before making a decision. Occasionally, organizational policies can limit transfers across certain accounts. If you see a message indicating you can't accept, that's controlled by admin settings rather than anything you're doing wrong. That's it. Open Gmail, find the transfer email, and choose Accept or Decline based on what's right for you. With a quick review and a single click, you'll keep your drive organized and your permissions exactly where they should be.